Cape Town invests in the BPO sector, establishing a BPO Sunday School to train unemployed youth for industry exposure. Administered by CapeBPO, the school offers a 3-week crash course covering work readiness and conversational fluency, followed by open industry recruitment in the 4th week. The initiative aligns with Cape Town's commitment to skills development and investment promotion in high-growth industries, making it an internationally sought-after location for businesses and investors. James Woods, mayoral committee member for economic growth, highlights the city's efforts to provide tangible career opportunities for young people. South Africa aims to create 500,000 new jobs by 2030, with Cape Town contributing significantly to the sector's growth. From July to September 2093, new international call center jobs were recorded, with an anticipated 3,475 new jobs from October to December. The BPO sector in Cape Town employs around 80,000 people, contributing billions to the city's economy, and continues to grow with the new contact centers emerging.